Hello, my name is Jimmy, and today in Ken and Family, we're going to take a look at this, the 2021 Nissan Sentra. And we're going to see how well it fits the Clek Liing as well as the Clek Foonf. So let's take a look. And welcome to the back seat of the Sentra. As you can see, I have the base for the Liing installed on the driver's side, and I got the Foonf installed here on the passenger side. They actually fit quite well in here, and there's still enough room in terms of headroom to put your child in and out of the Foonf here. I did have to move the seat for the front passenger up a little bit. It's not bad, but me at 5'11", I still think it's an adequate amount of space. Back to the rear seats here, there's two sets of lower anchors. They're relatively easy to find, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. They are a little bit squished between the cushion, but it shouldn't be too much of a problem. In terms of the upper anchors, there are 3 of those, and they're just behind the headrest here. So let's put the Liing into the seat itself, just to see just how well it fits overall. In terms of putting the Liing into the seat itself, well, it's not too difficult. As you can see, you can slide that easily right underneath the top of the roof here. So yeah, it's not bad. It's not as easy as some SUVs, but definitely not bad for a sedan. Let's take a look at the trunk. In terms of trunk space, it's not too bad. At 14.3 cubic feet, it's actually larger than some small SUVs, so you should be able to fit plenty in here. As you can see, I do have my yo-yo, well, just kind of in there. There's tons of room, so really, no problems at all. And that's how you're able to fit the Clek Liing, Foonf, as well as the Baby Zen yo-yo in the trunk itself. Can the Sentra family? Well, absolutely. There's enough room for you as well as your kids, as long as you only have 2. Any more than that, then yeah, SUV is probably a better way to go. In any case, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks. Take care.